Hello, welcome to the EZ-MES Wafermap demo. EZ-MES is a real-time browser-based manufacturing execution system for improving work on the factory floor. It allows the real-time tracking, controlling, and documenting of production processes. This video demonstrates an extension of EZ-MES that allows tracking of wafer maps. To begin, the user will select a traveler to get the wafer map data. Notice that the traveler automatically shows the URL to the extension for uploading the wafer map data. By clicking the URL, this will open the extension in a new tab. The traveler information is automatically passed on to the extension. Next, the wafer map data is selected and then uploaded. After the upload is complete, the wafer map data is automatically displayed in a table. The data is expressed with its X and Y position, as well as the results for each die. Here the user can see the die test results, which indicate failure and pass ratings. Next, the user can click the Make Report button to render all these data points to a visual wafer map. Now Python Anaconda code is run on the server to generate HTML5 code. This rendering code is stored in EZ-MES and used to display the wafer map. When finished, the rendered wafer map is displayed. Now the user can store both the data points as well as the wafer map. The data is effectively saved. The user may now exit the extension by closing the tab and navigate back to EZ-MES. The URL of the wafer map is automatically stored on the traveler in real time. With just a quick click on this URL, the earlier generated wafer map is opened. Because the wafer map and all data points are now stored together in EZ-MES, they can be fully tracked. If the incorrect wafer map file is uploaded by mistake, the user may simply rerun the wafer map extension. Select the correct data file and upload like so. This generates the new wafer map. When new data is uploaded and stored, previous values are automatically replaced, including the wafer map. And of course, because this is real-time, the traveler and the URL to the new wafer map are automatically updated. When the link is clicked, the updated wafer map is displayed. Thank you for watching this EZ-MES wafer map extension demo. For more information about EZ-MES, please visit our website at ezworks.com.